We have this beautiful BMW M4 competition in. It's owned by Alan, who owns Amigo wraps. They're based in Sedgensworth, and hopefully we're going to do quite a bit more work together. Being local to us would be a great thing. As you can see, it's not a standard BMW M4 competition. It's been quite heavily modified. Even if it was a standard car, I always would recommend security additional to what it already has, because they're just smart keys and they get cloned quite easily, really. But this actually stands out, so I'll say even more of a must than anything else. Now, this has obviously been wrapped by their own company, and the car just looks amazing. It's been modded quite tastefully as well, with other bits and pieces done to it. But have a look.